Next, add an if statement that checks if every rule in the collision detection rules array is true or not. So we create an if statement here, and inside the condition would be the checking of the collision detection rules array, whether it's true or not. And we are to use a method called every. So every method is used for arrays, just like the for each method. But the difference, however, is that every method uh, checks all the elements inside the array and whether if they pass a condition or not. Whereas the for each method simply iterates and access uh, each element inside the array and not necessarily checks a condition on each of them. So that would be the difference between the two. And so we use an every method in our array collision detection rules to check all of the individual elements inside the array, whether they pass a condition or not. And that condition would be the rule. So the rule would be the individual elements inside the collision detection rules array. And let be the rule parameter be also returned. So that would be inside our every method. And it says inside the body of the if statement is that we assign number 0 to the player's velocity of y. So player velocity y, and we assign it to 0, and we also have to return it, which means we explicitly tell JavaScript that if a certain condition, which is this one, has met the condition itself, then we exit this if statement and does not proceed to any other if or else if statement. So that would be it. Nice.